Hello my esteemed viewers, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to V tutorials. Today I want to prove to you the power of the neutral position again. You can see, okay, what I mean by neutral is when, okay, let me take this off. What I mean by neutral position is when you see all the candles are almost on the same level and moving towards the right directions. Okay, it's not going up, it's not going down, it's not going up in profit, it's not coming down in profit, it's not coming down in losing. Okay, so you can see from here at 0.0072 is a good place to also stick your trade. Here at 0.000072 is a good place to stick your trade, and you can see from there, if your trade is stick there, you can see how it moves gradually to 1.05. You can see how it moves gradually from this point, at 0.008 is speed up. Okay, it speed up to what, to 0 to 1 to 0 it speed up to 0.0000106. Let's see, do you know how much you earn here from this, just this very place to the top? You earn a lot from this very place. Okay, so you can see from there again you can sell and watch again how it comes down, then from the 0.0086 again you can as well stick a trade. Okay, and get to 97, and get to 9798 and make a lot of profit, okay. So if you can apply the Bollinger Band now, if you can apply the Bollinger Band, you can see how it works. Okay, you can see how it goes up, comes down, goes up, comes down, and still goes up again. So if you want to join me on this very race and be making a lot of profit for yourself, kindly subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell, and also turn on the notification bell so that whenever I drop any video, it will get to you as soon as possible. As well, also help me share this content. Also, share this content so that it can get to a lot of people. Thank you so much. See you in my next video. Bye.